Daddy, good afternoon.
Hey, Pumpkin, how was school today?
Not bad. They have loads of assignments to do as usual.
Oh, good. Bless that your school.
I knew that news would make you so glad.
I'm elated.
Daddy, meanwhile, I have been thinking.
You want to drop out of school?
No, I want a pet.
A pet?
Yes.
Since when?
Well, since this week. One of my classmates has this adorable cat that she brings to school, Daddy. So cute.
A student brings a cat to school?
No, I mean, the cat is always in the car when the driver comes to drop her for school. Daddy, the cat's so cute, so adorable, beautiful, nice skin. I've been thinking, we should just get a cat, and...
I don't like cats.
Okay, Daddy, what if we get a dog? Daddy, please no. Daddy, please no. Daddy, it would be so nice to have a little puppy running around the house. A cute one to cuddle. Daddy, please. Okay, just think about it. Please no. Daddy. Okay. Welcome. This is. And how was your day?
Hectic. Oh. It's on nights like this that I hate being an independent lady.
So what would you rather be?
A wife to a wealthy man. Just be a piece of art in his gallery. Doing nothing but existing and looking pretty.
Well, it's not too late. I mean, we can find you a wealthy, single or divorced man. Hook you up with him.
I'm sure you will like that.
Before.
Where's Dad?
He's gone to bed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Don't you want anything to eat?
Oh no, I'm good. I had something before coming back.
Oh, okay.
What do you guys think about having a little puppy? A very cute, adorable one.
Puppy?
Yes.
Why? Is that your new fetish now?
No, I just thought it would be nice to have a puppy, running around the house.
Do you know how hard it is to take care of a puppy? It's like having a newborn baby.
And what's wrong with having a newborn baby?
No, okay. I am tired. I do not have time for this. Good night.
While you're at it, I think you should get something a little more realistic.
Like
a baby dragon? Yes.
Dad? You're watching TV by this time?
Oh yes, today is my free day and I'm excited about it. I'm just going to binge, watch movies and eat myself to a stupor.
Wow, lucky you, Dad. I would pay anything to be you right now.
Me too. I don't feel like going anywhere.
You, Bumi, you never want to go anywhere. I beg, let's go.
Take care of yourself, girls.
All right, Dad.
Daddy loves you.
Love you too.
Daddy, have you decided yet?
Decided on what?
On what breed we'll get?
Breed?
Yes.
So we're still on this dog issue.
Oh, the pet thing. We'll discuss that when you come back, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
But seriously, Dad, you're not going anywhere today.
Nothing is going to make me leave this house.
Wow, Dad is serious about this one.
I tell you.
I'm determined. It's stay home day.
Well, Daddy, we'll just leave you to that while we that have places to be at, we'll just get to it then.
Okay then.
All right,
take care.
Take care of yourself. Bye.
Bye. Who is it? Oh, Chinwe. Hi.
Thank God. I didn't think anyone would be home.
Your temperature is burning. What's wrong?
I'm sure it's just malaria. But I'm so weak. I'm so dizzy. I've been stooling and vomiting all day. I don't know.
We need to get you to the hospital.
No, please. No hospitals. I hate hospitals. And people die in hospitals. Because the smell.
Easy. You are not going to die. It's just to see the doctor and he prescribes drugs for you. That's all.
Are you going to be with me?
I'll stay with you. All the way. Okay?
Okay.
Good girl. Now let me quickly get the car keys.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I hate this city.
And that's what you say all the time.
Well, this time I mean it. I mean, traffic literally just zaps out the energy in me. Too delicate for this city.
Only God that will repay this Mr. Peter for this wicked he has done. No.
Assignments are good.
And that's what Daddy said. I disagree.
Well, it's the truth. Speaking about Daddy, where is he?
I don't know. I didn't meet him.
Oh, his inactive day finally turned active. Yo, I'm hungry.
There's noodles.
I don't want noodles.
And that's the best I can offer you. Sister of mine.
Okay. Dad, we've been trying to reach you, Dad. Where have you been?
Hey girls, how are you?
Fine.
My phone battery died and I didn't go with my charger.
Oh, did you have a meeting?
No, I've been at the hospital.
The hospital? Why? Are you okay?
Not me, Chinwe. She's really ill. Had to rush her to the hospital. I thought it was something small, but they had to admit her.
Oh my, Auntie Chinwe. Is she alright?
She will be. I came home to get my charger and food, change of clothes, toiletries and a blanket. I'll have to stay with her tonight.
Dad, you're going back there?
Yes. I promised I would stay with her tonight. Bumi, can you get me those things that I mentioned?
Okay.
Sade isn't back.
No, she's not. Daddy, change of clothes, toiletries and a blanket, right?
Yes, baby, thanks.
Okay, Daddy.
Need some hands here.
Coming, Dad.
You have to be kidding me.
I wasn't even expecting that. I mean, you need to have seen him. He was such a sight.
And he's sleeping at the hospital tonight?
Well, in his words, he cannot leave her there alone tonight.
That's all shades of odd. And you're sure it was Chinwe?
That's what he said. And he was really looking worried.
So, what did he say is wrong with her?
Yeah, he said typhoid.
Yeah. It is well. I hope she gets well soon, Sha.
Yeah. Daddy likes that woman.
What?
Daddy likes that woman.
Is it because Daddy's taking care of her? Daddy can't do that to anybody.
What do you know? He likes her. He just doesn't know it yet. But trust me, he likes that woman.
I just think it's funny. Anyway, we'll see. Daddy and Chinwe. Ha!
Well, me, I'm waiting for Daddy to come back so we can talk about how to get my puppy.
You have to wait till you get your own apartment before you get that puppy. Because this house, no animal is coming to live with us. Okay?
But puppies are really cute. Why are you dissing me?
No animal in this house. End of story. Signed and sealed.
You are not the boss in this household, so you cannot make decisions.
Honey, you watch and learn.
Hey, girls.
Hey, Dad. Are you alright? What time did you come in?
I'm fine. I'm just tired. Couldn't get a wink of sleep in that hospital.
Then why didn't you just come home then, Dad?
I can't leave her. I promised her I would stay. I had to wait for her to sleep off before I came home. I'll go back in an hour.
Dad, you're still going back there?
Didn't I say I can't leave her?
Sorry. I mean, it's a good thing you're staying with her, though. She must be very, very afraid, I'm sure. But Daddy, doesn't she have someone she can call, though? Like a family member? A friend?
No need for that. She'll be fine. No need to bother anyone.
Wow. It's good what you're doing, though. Very kind of you, Daddy. I mean, if I wasn't so busy myself, I would have followed you to that hospital and laid with her.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, baby.
Dad, how is Aunt Chinwe?
She's fine. She's one strong woman. All right, girls. I need to go get a minute of sleep.
Did you do that, Dad?
Daddy and Chinwe.
I thought so. Can I take this one?
No, I just got it.
So I don't deserve new things?
Actually, you do. So get new things for yourself. You can't have that one.
Oh, wow. God save us from wicked sisters, oh.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, what's up?
I don't want a pet anymore.
No kidding. Why the change of mind?
My friend, that one I told you I went to collect notes from, they have dogs in their house and they are so disgusting. Oh my gosh, like they poo everywhere. The entire room stank of pee, dog hair. They keep barking. Why did they bark so much like that?
Help me out here. What did you think having a pet entailed?
I didn't think it through. Apparently, I just thought it would be nice, having a cute puppy in the house, running around. I didn't know it was so much responsibility. I mean, who has time for that? So.
You want cute? Get a teddy bear.
I don't want a teddy bear. I'm too old for that.
Oh, hell, you ancient one. But no one is too old for a teddy bear, okay? Yeah, I'm just glad that you're over this animal thing.
I'm sure you are so glad. I still think you are very, very mean. Where is Dad?
He went to bring Chinwe home.
But now, wow. That's how Daddy said we have for like a week ago. Hey! Love in Tokyo.
Would you two like it if Daddy dates her?
Chinwe is a weirdo, but she's also sweet, so I don't mind.
I mean, yeah, she's weird, but this is the 21st century. And weird is cool. If only Daddy will allow himself be great.
Well, if by now he hasn't realized that he likes her, then we have an issue at hand.
We need to help him out, as usual.
Daddy's girls to rescue.
You're still here.
How do you feel?
I've been worse.
You'll be just fine.
Would you cry if I die?
You, Biodun. You're not going to die.
How do I know that?
You're not done with.
I'm not.
You're not.
What else do I have here?
Stay alive and find out. I know that too. What is it?
Oh, nothing really. Just curious about something.
Okay. Talk to me. What's up?
Well, it's about Chinwe.
What about her?
We think you're in love with her.
You don't always follow plans. Did we say we waited on him like that?
Well, the both of you had the plan. I didn't. Besides, there's no time to be beating around the bush.
Girls, easy. Where is this all coming from? I'm not in love with Chinwe.
You see, Dad, we knew you were going to say this. And that's why we've decided to tell you what love is. First Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4. I read, love is patient. Love is kind. Love does not envy. Love is not proud. It is not rude. Love is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. Love does not keep record of wrongs. Love does not rejoice in evil, but delights in truth. Love bears all things, believes all things, always hopes, always trusts, always protects. Love never fails.
Need we say more, Dad?
Daddy, We can give you instances of where the scripture speaks to you directly.
Love does not hold records of wrongs. Dad, who knew you'd sacrifice so much for Auntie Chinwe? Weird, stalker much, annoying pest Auntie Chinwe?
Dad, love is not self-seeking. The past few days you've been nothing but selfless in your eagerness to be with her and make sure that she's well.
Daddy, we can go on and on and on and on and on.
I don't know what you girls are talking about. I'm off to sleep.
Seed planted. Now, we wait.
You left. Daddy? Good morning, Dad. Sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Dad, we were planning to go to the beach today. I was wondering if you'd like to come.
The beach? What's happening there?
Well, just self-induced fun, basically. We invited Chinwe.
She's going?
Well, she said she only go if you go.
I don't know. I have lots of work to catch up on. Is she even strong enough?
She seemed really excited about it, so why I say?
All right.
You go? Yeah. Thank you, Daddy. I was supposedly for 11 a.m., so you have enough time to get ready.
What time is it now?
Just 9:30 a.m., so there's still time. You're ready. See ya.
No traffic. What a shocker.
It's Saturday now.
So, there's always traffic in Lagos. Sunday is the only traffic-less day. Even at that, some places are still a mess.
Thanks for inviting me, girls. I had so much fun.
Nah, it's okay. We're glad you came.
The ocean air did me so much good. Like, I feel so refreshed. Sumbo, thank you. I should go home now.
No, stay, please. I mean, you don't have to go. You can stay if you want. I just thought...
No. It's not like I have anything to do at home.
Good
anyways.
then. So you stay with us. We can watch series together. Have you seen Spider?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Oh, that's fine. We'll just finish. I'll come back.
Okay. They are amazing.
Yeah, mischievous too.
Mischief is good. It's the spice of life.
You would think so.
I honestly appreciate what you did for me this past week. I can't remember the last time anyone did that for me.
Oh, no problem at all. I didn't mind one bit. Yeah, a friend of mine invited me for an open mic event on the island. I don't want to go alone. Would you want to go with me?
Are you asking me out?
A date. Yes, a real date. Not a set up by my daughter's date.
Yes, I would love to.
Okay. It's tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow is fine. I have nothing slated for tomorrow.
Great. It's for 6 p.m.
6 p.m. totally works.
Oh.
Daddy's got a girlfriend, E-I-E-I-O. Daddy's got a girlfriend, E-I-E-I-O. Daddy's got a girlfriend, E-I-E-I-O.
You girls were eavesdropping? Have I taught you nothing?